friends, welcome to my YouTube channel World Math. Today I am teaching you class 7th math chapter 6 algebraic expression. The algebraic is that word that algebraic means alphabet, expression means number. The two types of algebraic constant. Constant are number. Constant are integer -1, 1, 3, 5, -6. They are constant and variable. Is X, Y, Z, A, B, C. Most used variable are alphabet this. And we learn in algebraic expression multiplication, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Only multiplication, addition, subtraction. Addition. Like same term 5x plus 3x. They are same term, means 5 into x means 5 plus x plus x plus x plus x. They are 5 times plus, so 5 into x is equal to 5x. So 5x into 3x plus 3x. So answer is 5 plus 3. Answer is 8x. They are the sum. And same minus 5x minus 3x. There are 2x. And 3 minus 5, 2. And when here is y, so it will sum, it will not sum. Its answer is it. And multiplication. When x 5x into 3y, they are joint. 5 into 3 15 x y. They are joint in here. When other variable into other variable, like a into b is equal to ab, a plus b is equal to a plus b. Not answer here. A minus b is equal to a minus b. A plus a is equal to 2a. They are 2a. So 2 into a is equal to 2a. A 2a minus a. Here answer is a. The 1a minus 2a. The answer is a. The rules of algebraic expression. Thank you for watching video. Please like my channel, subscribe my video and comment for the questions. Bye.